Hello students, welcome to my channel Language in Biology. Yes, already I inaugurated the channel. I delivered the importance of language in your life sciences or biology. Today my topic is irregular singulars and also plurals. In general language, so many irregular plurals we observed, but in biology, somewhat difficulty words have been observed. So let's discuss a few examples. Irregular plurals. Irregular plurals. Tell me what are plurals? More than one thing is called a plural. Here, start with the alphabet. Letter A. Letter A. See that. Number 1. Olga. What is that? Olga. L-G-A. Olga. Do you know the plural word of Olga? What is the plural word of Olga? Olgi. Olgi. Olga singular, Olgi plural. So this one is singular, whereas Olgi plural. What is Olga? Tell me. How do you want to write? Olga is a photosynthetic plant-like organism. It is a plant-like organism. Olga is a photosynthetic plant-like organism. I have used here auxiliary verb singular is. Olga is. Do you want to write plural? Tell me that. How do you want to write? Olgi, or photosynthetic plant like organisms. Have observed the difference between these two sentences. See, Olga is a photosynthetic plant-like organism. Algae or, I have used here plural auxiliary verb or helping verb. Algae or photosynthetic plant-like organisms. So in life sciences, we want to observe singular and also plural. According to them, use a perfect helping verb. Sometimes students are failed in giving a perfect helping verbs after singular and plural. General singular and plural, definitely students should have given a perfect helping verb. Whereas in irregular plurals, the usage of helping verbs is somewhat disturbed by the students also. They are unable to give perfect helping verbs. That's why by the regular practice of irregular plurals, you can easily identify whether it is a singular or plural and also you go for perfect helping verb. See, so alga is a photosynthetic plant like organism. Why is it called photosynthetic? You have already known, I think. It has a chloroplast. What is the pigment present in the chlorophyll? So chlorophyll is a main pigment and also having some other auxiliary pigments or accessory pigments help in preparation of the food by using carbon dioxide, water and also sunlight. Hence it is a photosynthetic plant like organism, right? Have understood this one? I think so. I will wipe it out or erase it out. Let's take another word which starts with A only, alveolus. What is that word? Alveolus. Alveolus. Do you know the word alveolus? Have you already observed or heard this word? Alveolus. Alveolus, it is used in a different context. Different context. See, second word, alveolus. A-L-V-U-O-L-U-S. Alveolus. A-L-V-U-O-L-U-S. Alveolus. So alveolus is a singular word. It is a singular word. Whereas alveoli, it's a plural word. Plural word. Here the word ends with us. Alveolus. Alveoli. Nucleus. Nuclei. Nucleolus. Nucleoli. So here this one we have to keep in mind for giving perfect plural word. Alveolus. Okay, U-S. Here alveoli. Nucleus, nuclei. Nucleolus, nucleoli. Likewise, so many examples are there. Let's discuss now alveolus. Plural word is alveoli. So where have you heard this word alveolus? Actually, this word comes under lungs structure. Structure of lungs we discuss alveolus. So write that one as alveolus. Alveolus is a chamber. Helpful for exchange of gases. Exchange of gases, particularly oxygen and carbon dioxide. Alveolus is a chamber helpful for exchange of gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide, present in the lungs. Present in the lungs. Right. Do you want to write a plural word? The same sentence we can mention. Right here, alveoli are. Alveoli or chambers helpful for exchange of gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide, respiratory gases, present in the lungs. I am emphasizing to observe that what is auxiliary verb used in front of alveolus, a singular word. It is a singular word, hence I used is, alveolus is, alveoli, alveoli. Here, this one is plural word, hence I used alveoli or chambers helpful for exchange of gases present in the lungs. So in the lungs, we observe in each lung, we observe small compartments called alveoli. These are connected with alveolar ducts. Connected to alveolar ducts. Alveoli are also known as alveolar sacs. These are alveoli. So alveoli are the chambers present in the lungs which are helpful for exchange of gases. Oxygen is taken in, carbon dioxide is sent out. Okay, I think you would have understood the second irregular plural, that is alveoli. Okay, the same word only we use in other context, alveolus only. Such kind of words we call them homonyms. What are they? Homonyms. Do you know homonyms in language? Homonyms are nothing but they have same spelling, pronunciation, but they are different in meaning. Same spelling, pronunciation, but they are used in different context, are known as homonyms. Homonyms. H-O-M-O-N-Y-M-S. Homonyms. Already I have mentioned that word alveolus, the same only here for alveolus present in the jawbone also. See, jawbone. So this one is jawbone. It is a opening. This is a socket of jawbone. What is that? Socket of jawbone. Socket of jawbone. Socket of jawbone. Socket of jawbone, otherwise called alveolus. Socket of jawbone, otherwise called alveolus. Okay. In the socket of jawbone, what is fixed? The root of a tooth is fixed. Embedded. Fixed. What is fixed in that? What is fixed? It is a tooth. This one is root. So root of a tooth is fixed in the socket of a jawbone. Right? So socket of jawbone is alveolus. Right? Already I mentioned that alveolus is a chamber present in the lungs. And now alveolus is a socket of a jawbone also. The meaning is changed, but the same spelling. Alveolus is singular, whereas alveoli, it's a plural word. So here the meaning is changed. Observe this one. Alveolus alveolus is a socket of a jawbone. Alveolus is a socket of a jawbone. Right? Another one. See here plural word alveoli. Alveoli or sockets. Alveoli or sockets of a jawbone. Sockets of a jawbone. So have you understood, I think? Basing on the context, sometimes alveolus is a chamber present in the lungs for the exchange of gases. But here alveolus is a socket of a jawbone also. Such kind of words are simply termed as homonyms. They have same spelling, pronunciation, but they have different meanings. Right? Let me discuss second term of the words, particularly go for that word I want to introduce, ampulla. What is that word? What is that word? Tell me once again. Say ampulla. So ampulla is a singular word. So third set of words, ampulla, ampulla. What is the plural word of ampulla? Ampulla is a singular, whereas ampullae. So a here, the suffix here, lla, but here plural word ye, ampulla. What is that? Ampulla. So ampulla we use in different contexts. Ampulla, the singular word, ampulla is electroreceptor present on the snout of sharks. So do you know the scientific name of shark? Say Sculiodon. Yes, they come under the class Chondrichthyes. They are cartilaginous fishes. Their body, say, covered with black-eyed scales, and the endoskeleton is made up of cartilage. So I think you have known everything. But here, my intention is to explain singular word. Ampulla is electroreceptor present on the snout of sharks. So here only the meaning hidden. See, electroreceptor, it receives electrical fields in the marine water. What is marine water? Say nothing but sea water. This is salt water. So that salt water that generates a kind of electric fields that is absorbed by sharks with the help of a sensory organ called ampulla. Right? So sometimes it is fully given ampulla of Lorenzini. So ampulla. This ampulla is present in the snout of sharks. So think this is a shark, right? The snout. This one is the snout region. Snout. S-N-O-U-T, snout. On that, the openings of ampulla of Lorenzini. So this one is ampulla. Right? So do you want to write irregular plural? So ampullae. So tell me the sentence. Follow the same. Ampulla is electroreceptor present on the snout of sharks Now use a perfect auxiliary verb in front of amply. So amply, or electroreceptors, amply or electroreceptors present on the snout of sharks. If you don't know, say, a singular or a plural, definitely you may be committed to give a wrong auxiliary verbs. Okay, that's why you need to learn irregular plurals in biology. Right? Next one. See, here also homonyms. So we go for that. Ampulla is also used in inner ear and also the breast region. Right? See, ampulla present in inner ear also. Erase this one. Let me erase. In other context, we use the same word ampulla. Ampulla is a swollen, ridge, present at the base of semicircular canals, semicircular canals in a ear. Okay, so here what the type of helping verb is? So singular only. So singular helping verb or auxiliary verb is used. Is ampulla is a swollen ridge present at the base of a semicircular canals in ear. Okay. And ampulla is also an electroreceptor present in the sharks. According to context, the meaning of the word, the same word ampulla, is changed. Let me say ampulla or swollen ridges present at the base of semicircular canals in inner ear. So write this one, a plural way, ampulla or. Tell me. So ampulla or ampulla is. But ampullae or swollen ridges present at the basis of semicircular canals present in inner ear. See here, plural word. Ampullae, we go for auxiliary verb. What is that? Ampullae or. In another context, I'll explain the ampulla. Let me wipe it out. Okay, are you understanding? I think so. I will give some other context. See, ampulla Ampulla is a reservoir. Ampulla is a reservoir of milk present in the mammary glands. Nothing but it's a breast. Right? Ampulla is a reservoir of milk present in the mammary glands. So, breast. See here. So, mammary gland. So, mammary gland. This one. See. Nipple. Into that lactiferous duct is opened. This one, lactiferous ducts. They are connected with bulbous structures called alveoli. Ampulla. Singular word is ampulla. On the nipple, which are open to lactiferous ducts. Yes. And here, ampullae are filled with milk. Ampullae are filled with milk. Whenever the baby suckles, whenever the baby starts to feed milk from the mother breast, ampullae are excited, then the milk is ejaculated. Okay. So here the word is same. It's also example for homonyms. Already mentioned homonyms which have same spelling, pronunciation, and also different meaning. So this is a third context I have been using the word ampulla. So ampulla is a reservoir of milk present in the mammary glands. Do you want to write plural? Tell me that ampullae or reservoirs. Ampullae or reservoirs. Ampullae or reservoirs of milk present in the mammary glands. Mammary glands are nothing but breast only. Mammary glands. Right? Here I used the auxiliary verb. So in every context I have been mentioning singular and also plural auxiliary verbs. Ampulla is okay, but ampullae are. Alveolus is, alveoli are. Alga is, algae are. Okay. So do you want to use for the perfect helping verbs or active verbs? Definitely you need to know irregular plurals in biology. Okay, you want to become perfect? Yes, you will become perfect in our language that is used in biology. So let me discuss some other irregular plurals in the next class. Until bye, and also let's with my channel Language in Biology. Everybody is requested to subscribe my channel, comment, like and also share. Thank you and all.